To use the MyOnyx app, you must first log in with your email address and a password. If you're a new user, click Register to create a new profile. If you forgot the password, click Forgot Password to receive a new one via email. The home screen display includes buttons for quick access to all modalities. It also includes a status bar on top displaying the selected patient and connected device, as well as the MyOnyx device's battery status. From the bar menu, you may select and change a patient, switch between devices, access the settings and help file, or log out. When in Modality screen, the status bar will also display the modality and the protocol or program being used. Access to modality settings will also be available in this menu. If this is your first time using the app, you will have to first select the MyOnyx device you would like to use. You may have several devices connected to the same app. The last device used will always be selected by default when you load the app. The name of the device connected appears on the status bar. To select a device, click Connect on the status bar. A list of paired devices will appear and you will be able to select one of these. If a device is connected, first click Disconnect before selecting a different device. In the MyOnyx app, each registered user or clinician has access to their personal individual patient lists. Patient lists consists of patient files, including their details and saved sessions. To access the patient list, on the status bar, click Select a Patient Profile. If one is already selected, click Change the Patient Profile. This will bring you to the list displaying all of the user's saved patients. Click on a patient to select them. Clicking the three dots button on the right will allow you to delete this patient or view their profile. To create a new profile, click the plus icon on the bottom right of the screen and enter the patient's name and the unique ID. Then click Save. A patient profile consists of a name and a unique ID, and all the biofeedback or ETS sessions saved for this patient. There are a number of ways to access the patient file. If the patient is selected, click the Review button on the main menu. Alternatively, you may click on their name on the status bar. To view a file of a patient not selected, access the patient list. Click on the three dots icon to the right of the patient's name and select View Profile. In the patient file screen, you may view and edit their name and ID. More importantly, on this screen, you may select a session from the list of saved sessions and review it in the review screen or delete it.